Hi, today I want to showcase a use case that I built for my client's HR team. So they wanted to have a centralized calendar that they can share to all the employees and staff to see who is on leave, who is available, who's not available. So of course, we can directly use Notion to track this. You can see from this example, which we have. You click inside here, you can see who's on leave, what's name, what's the date, which is department. So that is if the company do not have an existing employee system to apply for leave. But in this case, they already have a system. So how do we go about this? The system that they're using is called InfoTech. It's a cloud-based HR software for employees to apply to leave. And then the idea is that we also be using Gmail, Pipedream, and Notion. So for Gmail is to receive the employees' emails for their leave applications, and then Pipedream is similar to Zapier and Make, which can automatically run the codes, and then Notion will be our main interface. So here's the flow roughly how it looks like. So imagine an employee will apply leave. So they'll be using the InfoTech system. So they can be canceling the leave as well. So if they apply for leave, once it's being approved, it will go to this approved in the system by InfoTech. So the idea is that we want to InfoTech to automatically send an email to us. So in this case, because InfoTech does not allow us to directly have an API read to the access to their system, so maybe it requires cost more money, things like that. So in this use case, we try to use the email. So here's how the email looks like. We get an email from InfoTech. It's called no reply at info-tech.com.my, and then you get the employee code, names, designations, their leave reason, and then from what date to what date. So the idea is that we'll get all this info, and then we'll trigger automation using Pipedream, which is actually written mostly in code, and then some drag and drop elements. And then you decide, okay, is this a new leave applications or if this is a cancellation leave? If it's a new applications, it will automatically create Notion. If it's a cancellations, it will just go to Notion and then delete it. And this is the end result that allows you to automatically sync all your leaves from another system to Notion. Leave a like if you feel like this will be useful for your company, and you can reach out to us at Digital Cookie.